To enter recovery mode on Redmi A5, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to turn off your phone, so press and hold the power button, or simply get into the power menu and power off your phone, just like this. After that, wait a couple of seconds until the phone shuts down completely, and from here, as you wait a couple of the seconds, you can proceed to turn on the recovery mode. So what you have to do is press and hold simultaneously the power button and the volume up button until the phone vibrates or shows the recovery screen. So let's press and hold it, and keep on holding until you will see this recovery right here. So I will press on this one and keep on holding. For the first time there will the Xiaomi logo appear, and for the second time also the Xiaomi logo will appear, and you have to keep on holding until the screen goes basically black, and you will be able to see at the top of the screen the recovery mode. As you can see, as this one shows, you can release these buttons and now you can navigate through the recovery mode. Unfortunately, the screen for some reason is going really dark and I cannot actually show you how it looks like, but this is how to enter the recovery mode. I can actually show you these options by going by reading them for you. So you can find such an options like reboot system now, enter to bootloader, enter fast boot, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, enter rescue, and power off. And this is all what you can find on this menu right here. So yeah, this was basically the video about how to enter recovery mode. Additionally, also you are navigating through the recovery mode using these volume buttons. So as you press volume down button, you go down. As you press volume up button, you go up. And to enter or to perform any action, you have to press this this power button right here. And as you can see, now this phone should reboot. So that's how you can do this.